Hey guys, in this video I will show you a few methods that basically will let you download games faster on PS4. So as you can see here now, I'm now uploading Fortnite, and the first tip for you if you want to get your game faster is do not play any online games, because it will take forever to download new games. So the first tip is that you don't need to play games. And the second tip that I have for you here is, and it helped me a lot, basically you need to go on the downloading file and pause, and after a few seconds you need to just resume, and basically not in all times, but you need to just pause and resume, and in many times basically basically you will connect to a faster server, and it will download your game way faster. But as you can see here, for me it's quite fast, and I will have this in basically hours. And the last tip for me is that if you're using Wi-Fi and you want to get your game faster, make sure to basically plug your internet cable to PS4, and it will be way faster for you to download the game, of course, if you have that ability. All right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.